Hey, this is Marvelyn Brown, and I'm kind of talking low this morning because it's about maybe 7 o'clock, and there's still a few people in my home that are asleep. So I did want to do this video before I got my day started. So this is basically going to walk you through the things that you need or the things that you might want to start thinking about to really get started and make your blog installation go a lot smoother. So the first thing you want to think about are the items right here. So your provider, your hosting provider. Now I walk you through setting up HostGator. However, if you're familiar with another provider and you're not interested in HostGator, you can certainly utilize that. And I am an affiliate for HostGator, so just kind of want to throw that out there in full transparency. You want to think about pictures. So if you want to kind of put some placeholder pictures, that is perfectly acceptable. You don't have to have pictures, and pictures can always be changed. So you might want to think about, we're going to set up 4 pages on your site. So you might want to think about maybe 4 pictures, one for each page, just to kind of give your site a real foundation. But these pictures can be changed at any time. Now we're also going to kind of walk you through some dummy posts showing you how to actually do a post and set a post up. So you might want to think about pictures, maybe 2 or 3 pictures for your posts as well. Contact information. So how will people contact you? If you have a social media presence, you want to have all of those links, maybe you can put together a notepad document that has all of your links for your contact information and your social media accounts, so that all you have to do is just cut and paste. Your logo. So if you have a logo, if you don't have a logo, it's no problem. But if you have one, make sure that you have that available so that you can upload it onto your site. And then your blog title and your blog domain. These are going to be things that you really want to give consideration to, because your domain name cannot be changed. You can change it, but it will cost you more money. So you want to really give consideration to your domain name, and you want to give consideration to your blog title. So what I'm going to do is I will link to an article that walks you through how to select a blog title and how to select your domain name, because that is very important. And then your theme. So what industry are you going to serve? How are you going to help people? What kinds of products and services are you selling? If you're already promoting products and services, you probably already know what industry you're in. But if you don't, we will help you with that as well. There's a whole section of this course devoted to finding the right theme for your blog. So they're free themes, and they're also paid themes. So we're going to help you with both of those. And then any specific color. So if you have a color scheme in mind, you might want to think about those colors, because then we're going to put that into your blog and help you get all of that matched up the right way. Now, the other thing that you want to think about is your purpose. So what do you want your blog to accomplish? What are the things that you want to accomplish besides, making money? What do you want to accomplish? Who are the people that you're going to want to reach with your blog? Who are your perfect customers? Who are those folks that you think would be a great match for your products? So you want to think about that. You want to think about whether you would want to monetize your blog, or whether you just want to provide information, or maybe you want your blog to educate people. You want to kind of, give them background information, or maybe you want to brand yourself. Maybe you want people to really know, like, and trust you as a professional, as an expert in your industry, so that you have more credibility. So lots of different things that you can do with a blog, and you're going to see once you have your blog set up, it's going to open the door to so many different opportunities. So these are some of the pages that we can work on during the course. These are some of the basic pages. So your home page, Your Contact Us page is going to have the information on, how to reach you. All your social media links should be on this page. If you have any testimonials, so if you've worked with people in the past and they have given you kudos, you might want to get that on paper. Get them to write out a testimonial for you so that you can put that on your blog or your website, and that really helps you to also build credibility. And then, you want to write an About Us page, and we're going to set that up for you. Now, this is the thing. None of that has to be written out at this time. All we're going to do is set up your foundation. We're going to give you some dummy text that you can put in as a placeholder. And that's why I said, the pictures really aren't that big of a deal. But if you have pictures, that's great. So we're going to set up the About Us page, any events. So if there are any events that are coming up that are related to your business, have those written down, have the dates, the times, and then, how people can get more information. And then if you want to sell products and services, we're going to help you pick a theme that supports e-commerce so that you can sell products and services. And then here is some additional information, just resources basically. This is how you can save money with HostGator. And when I walk you through setting up your blog, I'm going to give you some of the deals that we have as a HostGator affiliate. So you're going to be able to take advantage of money-saving deals once we go through that part of the course. So you don't have to worry about that, but if you want to look at coupon codes, this is where you can go. This is my affiliate link for HostGator. So if you want to use my affiliate link, I would appreciate it. That would enable me to make a commission when I help you set up your blog. So this course is free, so it's not going to cost you a dime, but this kind of helps me to, cover my expenses and run the blog and provide the course, at no charge. So, and this is basically information on various hosting plans. You can get your domain, but I'm going to walk you through all of that. So you really don't need to look at this information, because I'm going to help you get everything, your domain, your hosting, and all of that for a very low price. I think it's about $3 per month. So we're going to talk more about that later. So these are just kind of resources that you can browse just for your information. And then this is a link to free WordPress themes. So you can look at that as well. Themes are really going to be important because that provides the look and feel of your website. So anyway, these are the things that you might want to start thinking about for your blog. And I will see you in the course. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.